Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your password in PayPal. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump right into the video. So what you want to do is you want to click on the setting icon after going to paypal.com like this. You want to go to paypal.com on your browser. After you go to paypal.com, it's gonna take you to PayPal's official page. If you guys have already logged in into your account, it's gonna take you directly to this page. But if you guys have not, it's gonna ask you to log in into your account first. After you log in into your account, it's gonna take you over here and you want to click on this gear icon at the top right corner. After you click on it, you want to go to where it says security, and on security you can see where it says password and you can see where it says update. You want to click on where it says update, and on update you want to enter your current password. After you enter your current password, you want to enter your new password, and you want to enter your new password again to confirm it. And after you do that, you want to click on change password, and your password will be changed. In this thing, you just want to enter your correct current password, because if your current password is mistaken, you guys can't change it. So make sure to enter a correct current password. After you enter your correct current password and entering two new password over here, like a password over here and a password again to confirm it, and click on change password, your password will be changed. So do not get confused. Over here your current password, over here your new password, and over here you want to enter the password which you just entered above over here to confirm it, and you want to click on change password and it will be changed. So yeah, that's basically it. And once your password is changed, when you're logging into your PayPal account, you want to enter the password which is new. Do not enter your old password because it will be changed already and it's just going to show you error or incorrect password. So make sure to enter your new password after you change it. And yeah, that's it for today, and hope you guys understand this video. If you did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.